All right, folks, we got it done. Moment I've been dreading, cutting into that main board. Because it's either going to be super easy to get off because it's so rotten, or it's going to be a challenge. We'll find out here in just a few short minutes. And I tried to get that board off there, down there, and it ain't coming off. It's just too solid. So we're going to focus on cutting this one just past the nailers there. That's so rotten it should pull right off. And then same way on that side. And it's so rotten it should pull off on the center. Let's start with cutting out this section. It's got to go either way. It's broke loose. Yeah, I should have cut those up there. All right. What really comes in handy are these Wells Lamont deerskin gloves. And I picked them up at Rural King, and they're 2X. That's the only people that had 2X gloves in stock. So definitely protects the hands and protects that injured finger. If you remember that finger that I had, it's the ring finger, not the middle finger, the ring finger. That we hurt about 3 weeks ago now, and it's still having, it's healing up, it's coming along, but I still have to protect it and keep it from opening back up, at least the outside portion of it. It's definitely gonna have a big old chunk of scar missing there in that ring finger. But now we're gonna get the rest of the rest of these boards, the header boards, off. I'm going to take this corner one off first and replace the whole board with a 2x12 that I purchased through Menards or Lowe's. I purchased through Lowe's because I didn't have any that were the right thickness to make it look right, nor did I want to waste on this. And they were cheap enough. If I could have milled it, I wish I could have, but hey, you got to do what you got to do. But we'll get that board removed, get the new board replaced, and then we'll work on this other side. So stick around, see how it works out. sometimes you just have to have your wife around to save you from yourself. But anyway, I definitely needed a break. She knew it. She was watching from the porch. Went in for about 30 minutes. And all I want to do is get this board up so that I can go and take a shower, go pick my mom and dad up, because we're going to bring them down to the property today. We are committed. There. Perfect. All right, we are done for today. Definitely happy that we got this in. And we're going to do the same thing, and I'm not going to regret the decision of going ahead and replacing those, because they're extremely rotted out. And just from seeing how I had to push up on this side to support this roof structure, because there's two rafters that are out in the middle of nowhere. And we got the same thing on that, and as well as the other side of the barn. I noticed that they didn't put that type of a header, this type of header in down there. So we're gonna have to reinforce it from the back side, but that's for a later time. Right now, we're done for today. Let's go pick mom and dad up. Dang it. Forgot. We broke that. Let's double check the measurement here, but I think we will be real close. We will be right at 12 foot. Good shape. With an inch to spare if we need it. But first things first, hope I have enough disc to get these nails cut off. Nope. It's the end of that disc. Dang it. Dropped this yesterday and broke the disc. The cutting disc. So all I have is the original grinding tool. See how this fits on there, like that. I think for this application we turn this around. Yeah. It's already getting warm. We're going to be in the sun. That's the only bad part. Whoa. Wasn't expecting that. I'll take it. Be careful, not lose my balance and go over the cage. You can guess what I just hit. Try up on this middle over here. There. One more. All right, folks, not perfect, but definitely up against the roof rafters as much as possible and very secure. I'm really glad we went ahead and replaced the old wood with these new 2x12s by 12s. It's working out much better, and I feel much more confident in the outcome down the road. folks, we got it done as far as the lower metal siding on the whole side of this barn and the wood siding. Just got the batten to put up and work on the gutter boards and of course the gutters, and then we'll work our way around to the front side. But I feel quite good where we're at currently, and using the sawmill wood from our Mechmax 36-inch sawmill, along with metal supplied by a local supplier here for the lower half, and just a lot of grunt work by good old Phil. Feels good to get all cleaned up and out of that heat. That was like a 95-degree morning at 10 o'clock and a heat index of about 100 degrees. Just humid and just miserable. But anyway, now it's time to go pick up my mom and dad, bring them on down to the property so that they can enjoy it just like we do. And I hope you enjoy it as well. These type of videos is just stuff that we do around here on the farm. You know, from rehabbing an old barn to rehabbing an old truck or a lawnmower, or working on the sawmill, tractoring, all the DIY type of videos that we like to share with you, because I like those too. That's why I make them just for you. And hope you come back again soon and see the progress on the barn or whatever other projects we got going on. Too many to count, but that's why you keep on coming back. So until next time, God bless y'all, and thanks for stopping in at Peterson Farms in Nashville. Hit that like button if you don't mind, and if you haven't subscribed and you like this content, consider subscribing. Heck, don't consider, just do it. Take a chance on us. Doesn't cost you a doggone thing. It's $0 to join our channel, and we appreciate each and every one of you.